Am I the only one that didn't know? Pigeons can race over 600 miles and still find their way home. Let's dive into the wild journey of these feathered athletes. Racing pigeons aren't your average city birds. These are elite athletes, bred and trained to fly hundreds of miles, sometimes at speeds over 60 miles per hour. Handlers start training them as babies, slowly increasing the distance. Until these birds know exactly how to find their way back home. No GPS needed. How do they do it? Scientists believe pigeons use the Earth's magnetic field and even the position of the sun to navigate, but there's still a bit of pigeon magic involved. On race day, it's all about speed, stamina, and instinct. Birds are released miles away, and the clock starts ticking. The fastest pigeon home wins the glory, and sometimes serious prize money. But it's not just about the race. The bond between trainers and their birds runs deep. Some say pigeons recognize their trainer's voice and even celebrate when they return home. So next time you see a pigeon, remember, some of them are real-life flying champions, living legends with wings. Who knew racing could be for the birds?